Okay, starting a little project today. I'm going to make some cuts and then I'll bring you along and show you what I'm doing. What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I've been wanting to build this type of bed for a while, so I finally got the chance. I went to Lowe's. These blocks are normally $3.68. They were on sale 2 for $5, so I picked up a bunch and I'm going to start making this bed. I do have pressure treated wood for the lower level and then a pine for the upper level, so it will be too high eventually, and get some leaves, some dirt that I dug up out of the yard, and some compost mixed in. So I'll bring you along, show you how I'm doing it. My path over here is about 21 inches. My path over here is about 21 inches, and I'm okay if this path is about 21 inches. The only issue I have is with these blocks. From here to here is about 4.5 inches. So I'm actually gonna bump it in a little bit so I can still get the wheelbarrow around comfortably. So basically, like I just explained, I'm coming from inside the bed out here to 25 inches. Which is right there. And then I want to check on this other side. And I have to move in just a little bit. Cool. So now I'm 25 inches from here and 25 inches from the other bed. So it's pretty cool with this. It should just be as simple as lift it up and place it in. And then do the same thing over here. I have one corner built. I have a little bit of a high spot here, so I'm just going to knock that into where the garden bed is. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start covering the bottom of the new bed. Just basically rip right down that seam. So that end has kind of a cutout, so I'm going to use it over here first. Because I have a little gap between this wood and the bed, I pulled the cardboard all the way through so I can cover that and hopefully not get any weeds there. There we go. Big old Amazon box. Actually, I think I will leave that end folded. Get this piece out of here for a second. And I'll put it in once I get this other piece in. Now I'm going to add leaves to the base of this, and these bags, I got a little bit of ants on those. Oh, and this bag has pine needles. But that's fine, this will all break down. I sifted out some of the compost. So these were larger pieces that sifted out. So I'll throw that down on the bottom. And then I'll go ahead and I have some dirt that I dug up that I'm going to actually apply to the leaves now. to make my life a little easier, I'm just going to move this side, and then I can walk the wheelbarrow right in. And see, as time goes on, all this stuff's going to break down. Too much of an angle, I think. Pretty happy with that. And then this will be the next level. And I'll leave that end off, so as I continue to bring wheelbarrows, I can just get it in easier that way. I was able to collect a ton of these drink containers. These will break down. The worms really love these, and these will actually retain a little bit of moisture too. So I'm just adding this around the garden bed. I also have egg cartons too. Cool. As you can see, I got inundated with eggshell containers and drink containers. Okay, so here we are. I've been sifting compost and adding race holes. I picked up a bunch of race holes when we couldn't get perlite and vermiculite. So that's going to help to hopefully retain a little moisture and keep it aerated so everything doesn't get all clumped together. And with sifting the compost, all the large pieces I'm just adding right in to the bottom, and I just take my hoe and clear out the wheelbarrow. Then I just go ahead and smooth the bed with the rake. There we go. So I'll bring you guys back when it's all finished up. Okay, what a project. Started this around 1 o'clock, or no, started this around 12 o'clock, and it's now 6. I definitely made it harder on myself by sifting the compost, but I wanted it nice, loose, and fluffy so I can start planting right into it right away, and everything should be good to go. Overall, not a terribly expensive deal. Like I said, each corner was basically $5, so $20 there. The pine lumber, I believe, was $5.88, and the pressure treated, I believe, was $7.88. So I had one full board of each on the sides and one board cut in half on the ends to make this project. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.